Cruise by Mandy here on top of deck 20 outside the laser tag area. We are getting really close to Lionsgate Bridge, if you can see that in the background. I saw some guy back there, and he must be like the sacrifice person to see if we're actually going to clear the bridge or not, because if you see him up there, he's way up there. I don't know who he is, but he's got the prime spot right now, and I'm really kind of jealous of him. He's got my spot, to be honest, you know. But anyway, he's got a looks like a cell phone, we think it is, and he's probably the highest point you can be of any person on board the ship. So I'm pretty jealous of him. As you can see, we've got the bridge coming up. Lionsgate Bridge, we are timing it with low tide. You have to be low tide to go under the bridge, or the ship's not going to fit. It's as simple as that. I'm going to pull up the zipper because it's kind of chilly. And we have, yesterday we were on top of the bridge, which was great. And let's see, let me grab my charger here. Plug this charger in. Because I am losing juice fast. There we go, much better. But I'm going to show some pictures out here of where everything is. Right there is the Vibe that I showed earlier. That is an additional fee area. Look over here. You see the outdoor chess. The white tent right there is actually the Haven outdoor restaurant area for that. And that. See the water slide that goes off the side of the ship. Practice. Okay, how did that dude get up there? I'm just like. Okay, but that's kind of cool. I'm really jealous of him right now. Can you see it? Hello, Carolyn. See, you are on the cruise with me. You're just somewhere warmer, I think. So, there have been 2 helicopters circling, and I think they're doing it for media. And we know on Sunday evening, the sister ship Bliss leaves, and she will be leaving Los Angeles, and we get into Los Angeles the next morning. So what I'm really hoping is that the sisters have some kind of playtime out in the waters, and maybe a friendly horn battle. But I would expect there would be some helicopters. And Norwegian, if you're watching this, yes, please. I think that would be really cool. We got the sisters Bliss and Joy right there in the waters together. Let's see, are we getting closer? There's a bus going across the bridge up there. It is kind of chilly. I don't even know what the temperature is out here. I just got dressed. I do have on my flip-flops because everybody knows me. I'm a flip-flop girl. I think I might have to dress up in a minute. There we go. Here. Where are we at over here? Are we getting closer? Hello, Dee. See, I started a trend. Kelly did it too.
They delayed our departure because they couldn't get under the bridge.
The whole bridge thing, you got to count it. It matters, right? Height matters. Height matters, right?
It's the time.
Were you outside yesterday when you came under? Do you remember the crazy person on the bridge that like yelled? Woohoo! Yeah, it's me. Oh, see?
No way.
Uh-huh. Oh, no. That's why. But I want his spot. I want his spot. Well, I put it on Instagram, so it is out there. Yeah, I hashtagged it. Thank you. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Are we close? Wait. Oh, wait. Can I see it? Take it. I'm not touching the bridge though. I'm supposed to like. Yeah. Well, I want my hand to touch the underneath of the bridge like it's holding it up. Is that working? Like I'm. So just hold my hand there and we'll get there. So y'all are laughing at me live, huh? 10 more seconds. This is my arm workout today. Gotta yell for this. Hey, Dee! Here, take mine. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Press. You'll see the bridge back there. We passed it.
I just got my phone at like work.
We're coming with you. We're coming with you. There's the helicopter and there's the bridge. Okay, apparently we have to go eat again. So I'm gonna hop down.
Can I give you my? I don't see my phone.
We'll do that. So, Cruise by Mandy, did my normal woohoo. That's how people recognize me on roller coasters. And we are headed to eat somewhere because dinner's not till 9:30 and we can't wait till 9:30. And it's, I don't know, what time is it now? 6:10. Okay, yeah, they were right about that. Okay, my adrenaline rush. And that dude up there, oh, hey, did the guy fall off up there? I don't see him up there anymore. Oh, man, lame. He must have gotten down already. Lame. Okay, oh, if I don't fall and hurt myself. Okay, Cruise by Mandy. Apparently we're going to go eat. And there goes a plane again. And I will post some more. Thank y'all for going under the bridge with me. I love bridges. It's kind of a thing for me. And I can take some math about bridges from when I taught geometry, but I'll just shut up about that. Off to eat and maybe grab a beverage. Cruise by Mandy, signing off. Have a fantabulous day.